What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Santa Fe smart key remote fob. This key fob is going to be for the Hyundai Santa Fe's that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change the battery is a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to start with a larger one and then I'll use a little bit smaller one later on. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, we see the notch here where the emergency key slid out of. On the opposite side of that, we see there's this little space right here. So what I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that little notch. I'm going to push it all the way in like that, and then as I'm pushing it all the way in, I'm going to twist the screwdriver. And as I rotate the screwdriver, you can see it pops the two halves of the case apart. Pull the case apart, and then in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. And this is the part where it's easier if you grab a smaller screwdriver. Get under the edge of the battery, get it out of that little holder. Then we'll grab the new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing the battery with the plus side down. And you can see this little metal piece right here. I'm going to kind of tuck that edge in first like that. Kind of tuck that edge in first and then snap the battery down into place. And then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.